there, parents. I am Angela De Freitas from Choices Career and Education Advice, and I have a big question for all of you. Is your child or any child you know struggling with CSEC subject selection and also with choosing a career? Do they know how to match their career choice with the right subjects? Well, Choices is here to help. We're inviting you and your child to join us on Sunday, May 21, for a free online workshop to help them with their subject choice and career selection, to help them also in understanding the future of work, and we'll also be helping you as parents in how to support and guide your child in these processes. The workshop is free of cost, but we encourage you to purchase our highly recommended Career Key test and our career resource package to help in the process. You can visit choicescaribbean.com/subjects to register for the workshop and to purchase your package, which contains everything you and your child need. A link is provided along with this video, so use it to register. And as soon as you will register, you will receive further information on how to join the session on the day. We really look forward to seeing you there and also to helping you and your child.